Going on, guys? This is Angelo. I'm just gonna do a quick unboxing here of the Osmo Action 4. I purchased this one pre-owned. I purchased it on eBay. I think I got a really good deal on it. I don't know, but anyway, I'm pretty sure it was a great deal. So I'm gonna just go ahead and unbox and see what something pre-owned looks like. I've never opened this box before, so we're gonna see. We're gonna see what it's like. Let's go. This is just my, I think it's called arts and craft knife. Try not to slice my finger off. Let's see what that does for us. Oh, this one. Hey, hey, hey. Alright guys, so got my doggies in the background, they're beefing, I don't know what's up, but let's do it. So, let's see what this looks like. Oh, all right. What's that? Okay, so, all right, seller cooked it up. Oh. Put that box right there. So this is it. Pre-owned from eBay. Let's see what's in here. All right. That actually looks really good. I don't see anything on the glass. Oh yeah. That looks really good actually. All right, bet. And just to compare, so this is gonna be my GoPro 7. This is what I've been kind of working with. When I found out I had to do a whole thing about the mic, I was like, it's not gonna work for the motovlog. We're gonna put that right there. Case. Seems good. Let's see what else is in here. I think it might be missing the, it is missing the little adapter here. Not a big deal. You know, I can probably find something on Amazon or maybe eBay, you know. I did get a good deal on this thing. And that's it. Pre-owned Osmo Action 4. Let's put that aside. That's dope. Let's turn it on. Oh yeah. We're gonna it does have a different feeling. It feels more solid than my GoPro 7. Looks pretty straight. Oh yeah. I'll make another video about my motorcycle vlogging setup, how I'm gonna set this up. I'm probably gonna use wireless, the DJI Mic Mini, just so I can pair with Bluetooth, just to have a cleaner setup. That's the whole kind of the reason why I ended up going with one of the DJI Action cameras. Thank you so much. Peace.